Hey explorers, I'm Dr. Panda, and today we're looking at the most dangerous things drifting through space. Let's start close to home with Apophis, a massive asteroid about 340 meters across, roughly 4 football fields. Discovered in 2004, Apophis immediately worried scientists. Early calculations suggested a 1 in 37 chance of hitting Earth in 2029, though that has since been ruled out. But even a near miss could have consequences, thanks to its high speed of 30 kilometers per second. If it did strike, the impact would release energy equivalent to hundreds of megatons of TNT, creating a crater several kilometers wide. Massive shockwaves, fires, and tsunamis if it landed in the ocean. For context, the Chicxulub asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs 66 million years ago was only about 10 kilometers wide, yet it caused global extinctions. The good news? NASA and other space agencies track thousands of potentially hazardous asteroids, or PHAs. Apophis will pass Earth at just 31,000 kilometers away in 2029, closer than some satellites, and will be visible in binoculars. Scientists use this opportunity to test asteroid deflection strategies, such as kinetic impactors, to prepare for future threats. Even though it's unlikely to hit us, Apophis reminds us how vulnerable our planet can be to cosmic objects moving at tens of kilometers per second. Let's go deep into the universe to one of the most powerful explosions known, gamma-ray bursts, or GRBs. GRBs occur when a massive star collapses into a black hole, or when two neutron stars collide, releasing in seconds more energy than the sun will emit in 10 billion years. That's billions of times stronger than the largest nuclear bomb ever detonated. If a GRB happened within 6,000 light-years from Earth and its beam pointed at us, it could strip away the ozone layer in seconds, exposing all life to deadly ultraviolet radiation. Scientists estimate that such an event could cause mass extinctions on Earth. One famous GRB was 080319b, detected in 2008. It was so bright that it could have been seen with the naked eye, even though it was 7.5 billion light-years away. GRBs are rare, but they're capable of destroying life across entire planets in an instant. Scientists like Stan Woosley and Ido Berger study these phenomena to understand how stars die violently and how such energy can travel across the cosmos. While GRBs are mostly a distant threat, they remind us how fragile life can be compared to the power of the universe. Now let's talk about black holes, the ultimate cosmic predators. A black hole is a region of space where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape, not even light. There are stellar black holes, formed from collapsing stars, and supermassive black holes, millions or even billions of times heavier than the Sun, like Sagittarius A star at the center of our galaxy, weighing 4 million solar masses. Matter falling toward a black hole forms an accretion disk, which can shine brighter than an entire galaxy before crossing the event horizon. If you fell in, extreme gravity would stretch you into a thin strand, a process scientists call spaghettification. Black holes also warp space and time, creating phenomena like gravitational lensing, where light bends around them. The first image of a black hole, captured in 2019 by the Event Horizon Telescope, confirmed predictions from Einstein's general relativity. While a black hole near Earth is highly unlikely, a rogue black hole passing through the solar system could destabilize orbits, eject planets, or even consume matter. Black holes are silent, invisible, and unimaginably powerful. Cosmic objects we can only detect by their effect on nearby stars and gas. Back in our own solar system, the sun can be dangerous in its own way. Solar storms, or coronal mass ejections, occur when the sun releases billions of tons of charged particles at millions of kilometers per hour. When they hit Earth, they can knock out satellites, GPS, power grids, and communication systems. The most famous event was the Carrington event of 1859, which caused telegraph systems to catch fire, and auroras were visible near the Caribbean. A similar storm today could cause trillions of dollars in damages, disable the electrical grid for weeks, and halt global communications. Satellites like SOHO and DSCOVR monitor the sun constantly, giving us hours to days of warning. Scientists like Sarah Gibson and Nat Gopalswamy study these storms to predict their timing and intensity. Solar storms remind us that even a star as familiar as our sun can suddenly unleash incredible destructive power on Earth. And now, the unknown. UFOs. Unidentified flying objects are objects that can't be explained by human technology or natural phenomena. While most sightings have mundane explanations, imagine if a technologically advanced alien civilization was hostile. They could disable satellites, knocking out GPS, communication, and military systems, strike cities with weapons far beyond our technology, cause global panic, chaos, and potentially mass casualties. Even a small fleet of alien ships could overwhelm humanity if their technology is far superior. While this is purely hypothetical, it reminds us that our planet is vulnerable, not just to natural cosmic events, but also to potential extraterrestrial threats. Finally, the biggest cosmic story, our own sun. Right now, the sun is 4.6 billion years old. In about 1 billion years, it will get brighter, heating Earth so much that oceans start to evaporate and life becomes impossible. In 5 billion years, it will expand into a red giant, possibly engulfing Mercury, Venus, and Earth. Even if Earth survives, it will be a lifeless, scorched rock orbiting a faint white dwarf, the dense remnant of the sun. The sun's mass is 1.989 times 10 to the 30th kilograms. And during its red giant phase, it will lose 30 to 40% of its mass, changing planetary orbits. The transformation will take hundreds of millions of years, not happen overnight. Observing other red giants gives scientists clues about our own future. So while this is billions of years away, it's a dramatic reminder that stars live, age, and die, and even our mighty sun has an expiration date.